at any time can target anyone, any selector, anywhere. I, sitting at my desk, certainly have the authorities to wiretap anyone, from you or your accountant to a federal judge to even the president if I had a personal email.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we are looking at some bookshelf speakers. This is the Kurbis Bluetooth by Thonet Vander. Now, these things are really heavy. Now, they're 340 watts. They're saying that they're powerful and crystal clear even at 100% volume with no distortion. Now, they are only running off of Bluetooth 4.2. All right, so we got some info. We got a power cable. There we go. Whoop, what fell? Okay. We got a few things. You got some speaker cable. You got a little Bluetooth controller, pretty basic, power, mute, up and down volume. We got a pretty heavy duty cable. If your TV or computer has RCA connection points, you can use that with the 3.5. I'm gonna take the grill off because I like the way these look. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a good looking speaker. I like that yellow. It's a 5¼ inch sub. It's made entirely of aramid fiber. The upper suspension ring is made of highly elastic rubber. Then you get your small tweet at the top. Feels very sturdy. Like I said, they're pretty heavy. Now, it's actually HDAA wood. It's a natural polymer, so it prevents from vibration and sound leak, which is always important. But I think I'm gonna keep the grill off of it. I really like the way these look. The grills are nice, keeps it nice and clean, but I really like that yellow. Okay, so this is the main unit. Right here is your IR sensor for the remote. On the side, you got your volume. Does it have a click? No click. You got your treble and your bass control. Now on the back, you've got your RCA output, you got your power switch, and then you have your speaker cable that connects the two together. Whoa, I heard sound. Also, because it has a 3.5 auxiliary port in the back, you can just straight up hardwire it if you want to, but it is fully Bluetooth. All right, there it is, the T&V Kurbis Bluetooth. Immediate connection. All the way up. Max volume. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I went to the Dollar Tree. I got the bass like halfway right now. Dang. That's pretty good. I got it at max volume right now. That's max volume. And that's over Bluetooth. That's pretty good. Let's check latency real quick.
Is there a party going on here?
I know, right? It sounds good.
Yeah.
Sorry.
We've got this bowl of grapes. What happens to a bowl of grapes when you leave it in a margarita for a month?
It looks pretty good to me. All right, you know what? I'm gonna do a distance check and I'm gonna go grab an aux cable so we can hear it hardwired. All right, I didn't hear any skipping at all. I went all the way to my front door, so that Bluetooth 4.2 is doing a pretty good job. Yeah. Oh man, these are nice. Dutch engineering, huh? I've never heard of this company before, but I really like it. Also, just a little heads up, we might be looking at the bigger brother of this in the future. Fingers crossed. Now, they are going for about 180, but quality, sound is there. It's all there. It's great. I really like these. These are nice. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below. I highly suggest checking these out if you're in the market for some bookshelf speakers or you wanna upgrade your desktop speakers. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.